Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. I hope all of you are fine and having good health. Today we have lecture number 25, that is from Fundamentals of Chemistry, and the topic we have it is mole particle calculation. So in this section we will learn about the mole particle calculation, that how we can find the number of moles and number of particles from the given data. So basically for the mole particle calculation, you need to know some important formulas. Like first of all, for the number of moles, we have the formula number of moles. And you must know mole, what is mole? Any substance, if it is equal to 1 moles, it must contain 6.02 into 10 raised to power 23 particles. So this is known as the mole. Now we need to find the moles. So number of moles is equal to mass of substance in grams, and it is divided by the molecular mass. So the mass of substance in gram it must be given, and the molecular mass it is basically the sum of atomic masses of all the atoms present in the formula. So it is basically the sum of atomic masses. So by using this formula, we can find the number of moles easily. Next on, we have the formula to find the number of particles. So the number of particles, it is very simple formula. Number of particles is equal to moles multiplied by Avogadro's number. If we are going to multiply the Avogadro's number with the number of moles, then we may be able to find the number of particles very easily. And here, the number of particles we have, it may be atoms, it may be ions, it may be molecules as well. So let's start the first calculation or the summary of the mole calculation. The summary of the mole calculation here is we can find molar calculations. If the moles are given, then we can easily convert that moles into the mass of substance in grams. In turn, if the mass in grams is given, then we can easily convert it into the moles. Now what are the formulas for this conversion? So for this conversion we have mass in grams is equal to moles multiplied by molar mass. So this is the formula to find the mass of substance in grams from the moles. Then we have the second one formula for the mass in grams to moles. So we can find the moles is equal to mass in grams divided by the molar mass of the substance. So this is the formula. Next one, we need to find the number of particles. Number of particles, we need to convert it into the moles, and we can also convert the moles into the number of particles. Okay, next we are going to find the numerical values. Like the first one we have calculate the number of moles, number of molecules and the number of atoms that are present in 6 gram of water. Now we have 6 gram of water and we need to find the main three things: moles, number of molecules and the number of atoms from that. So let's start the numerical value or the calculations. So first of all, we need to write the given data. The given data is the mass of water. Here, the mass of water we have it is 6 grams. Let's find the molecular mass of water over there because it is going to be used in the formula, the molecular mass. So the molecular mass of water is as formula H2O is one atom of hydrogen multiplied by 2 plus oxygen 16. So its molecular mass is 18 AMU, 18 atomic mass unit. This is the molecular mass. Next, first we will find the number of moles from the given mass. So the formula to find the number of moles we have number of moles is equal to mass in grams divided by molar mass. So here The mass in gram is given, that is 6 grams. So 6 divided by molar mass we have, that is 18 AMU. So by solving that we will find the answer, number of moles is equal to 0.33 mole. So here we have the number of moles that are present in 6 gram of water is 0.33 moles. Okay, now from these moles we will find the number of molecules. As the formula to find the number of molecules we have as number of molecules of any substance is equal to moles multiplied by Avogadro's number. So here the moles for water we have 0.33 and the Avogadro's value we have, it is 6.02 into 10 raised to power 23. So the answer we just gained, it is 1.98 into 10 raised to power 23 molecules of water are present in 6 gram of it. So this is the number of molecules. So the next step, that it is the number of molecules contained in 6 gram of water is 1.98 into 10 raised to power 23. As we know, if we have one molecule of water, it is having total 3 atoms. It is having 3 atoms, means 2 hydrogen atoms and 1 oxygen atom. So there are total 3 atoms. Now the number of atoms that are present in 6 gram of water molecule is 3 multiplied by the number of molecules, that is 1.98 into 10 raised to power 23. We will get 5.94 into 10 raised to power 23 atoms that are present in 6 gram of water. So if we have 6 gram water, then it is having number of atoms 5.94 into 10 raised to power 23, and it is having number of molecules, that is 1.98 into 10 raised to power 23, and next it is having moles, that is 0.33 into 10 raised to power 0.33 into 10 raised to power 0. So this is all about our today's lecture, that how we can find the number of molecules, the number of atoms, and the number of moles from the given mass of any substance. I hope you guys understand and you can try to do many examples related to the mole mass calculation. And next one, if you have any queries, you can ask me about that in the comment section and I will get back to you guys soon. Inshallah, for that time, have a good day and Allah Hafiz.